Hi, I'm Andrea Robinson from A1 Bodega and Cafe, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make our home meal kit bolognese spaghetti. A1 supplies fresh basil, grana padano Parmesan cheese, extra virgin olive oil, Dutch cream, as well as some nice creamy butter from Prince Edward County, and then the focaccia. So I'm starting with the A1 Bolognese, which is an all beef bolognese with San Marzano tomatoes. The best thing, it's already portioned out for you, so you don't have to worry about that. I've already preheated my pan, so we'll warm that up nicely. And once I get some pasta water, I'll probably add that to it to thicken it up. I've already preheated my water to boil, but I'm gonna add some salt. Get it nice and salty. I'm gonna use some pasta Jessica. It's a really great dry pasta. I feel like it tastes quite fresh. That's why I like to use it a lot. I'm boiling my pasta right now, and I'm going to start cutting up my focaccia. So I'm just taking some extra virgin olive oil and brushing the focaccia here. I like to do both sides because a little extra olive oil has never hurt anyone. So you can heat this up in the oven or on the stovetop. And I'm just going to sear each side and warm up that bread. And while that's going, I'm gonna chop up the basil. It smells so good. And really, I mean, with your kit you get basil, but if you have any fresh herbs, even some parsley or even some fresh sage, it'll taste wonderful with this pasta. And I'm just checking on my pasta. It seems to be doing well. I think maybe a couple more minutes. I've just strained off the pasta, and now I'm going to add some butter and cream to my sauce here. It's just a nice finishing touch to get that really creamy texture. You want to know how restaurants make their pasta taste so creamy. It's a little trick. You really want to stir it well to kind of emulsify it, because you really want those layers of fat and cream to blend well with the meat and the tomato and the acidity of the tomato sauce. And if you choose not to do the butter and cream, it is a dairy-free dish, which is nice. So now that my sauce is ready, I can add the pasta. Get all that good sauce wrapped around there. And now I'm going to plate my pasta. One trick that I like to do, I don't know if other people find this with pasta, but noodles are really good, but there's always the tasty little bits at the bottom of the pan. You don't want to miss out on those, so making sure you add those. Add some Parmesan cheese here. There you go. Grab your glass of wine, put on your favorite Most Def album, and bon appetit. Everything that I'm cooking with today is provided by A1 Bodega in their meal kits. You can order them online, or you can even drop into the bodega and they'll have meal kits available for pickup.